January 2nd, 2021. Project 66R. We're back at it again. I'm going to pull the doors. I made these stands. We'll see how that goes. And I'm getting ready to paint that top part, front of the windshield, down the door jamb, and right here. So that's the first thing I need to do is get those doors pulled off. Got the door off, went pretty well. I got on a stand here. Now the dilemma I have is I have no room for this or the other one in this garage. So I'm going to have to go out through that door, drag it through the ice and snow, around the corner to the other garage. Gonna be fun. Got the one door in here. The only big issue I have is that now one bid thinks I'm cutting it up and making a two-door out of it, but no, I'm not. I'm sorry. I don't want to scare you or anything, but no, we're just putting this in here for now. And I'll get the other one off and put it next to it.